today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription with ease. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your subscriptions seamlessly. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to QuickBooks. This is the first step in this process. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in QuickBooks' official website address. Or if you're logged in already, make sure you're at the home page. It's important to ensure you're signed in using the correct account information that connects to the subscription you wish to modify. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're accessing the right one to avoid any confusion later. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to direct your attention to the Settings menu. You will usually find this icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It might appear as a gear symbol. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From here, look for the option labeled Subscriptions and Billing. This section is where all of your billing information and current subscriptions are listed. Navigating through this part of QuickBooks is straightforward, but taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options can be quite helpful. Once you're in the Subscriptions and Billing area, you will see details of your existing subscription plan. This is where you can manage, upgrade, or cancel your current QuickBooks subscription. If your goal today is to cancel your subscription, you'll want to find the Cancel Subscription link or button, usually prominently displayed to make the process user-friendly. Click on this link. After clicking Cancel Subscription, you might encounter a few prompts or a survey asking about your experience or reasons for canceling. QuickBooks provides these questions to gather feedback to improve their services, so feel free to provide the feedback or skip through it if you'd prefer. Once you confirm your intent to cancel, your subscription will be terminated as requested. And there you have it, you're all done. You've successfully canceled your QuickBooks subscription. It's always a good practice to check your email for any confirmation messages from QuickBooks to ensure everything went through correctly. If you ever decide to return or reevaluate your subscription options, remember you can always follow these steps in reverse to reinstate or adjust your plan. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials designed to make managing your digital tools easier. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Have a great day.